Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be doing last minute Dollar Tree gift ideas using the Cricut Maker 3. So thank you so much Cricut for sponsoring today's video. Starting with my first gift, I will be using this Dollar Tree round circle, which is perfect for a gift idea. Now I'm going to leave it the color it is. You can't paint it if you want this, but this already looks beautiful as is. Before I go into Cricut Design Space to design my image, I will be measuring the wood circle. So now that I know the measurements, I'm going to go to Cricut Design Space, click New Project. The next thing I will be doing is going into images, search for the word wreath, and look through all the wreaths that they have here. The thing about Cricut Design Space, it has so many different designs that you can work with. You can also customize to your own liking, and it's only $9.99 a month. And as you can see, this has a lot of wreaths, and I am going to just scroll down until I see the one I like. Since this is a gift for my brother, I decided to choose this wreath that says "That Family," and in the center, of course, I will be putting his last name or our last name. Once I have inserted the image to my canvas, I then size it to 7 inches, almost 8 inches. The next thing is I clicked on text, so then like that I can add my last name, and of course I chose the font. I wasn't sure which one to use, if to use cursive or just like a regular, which I went with a regular since the family is already in cursive. One thing I like doing is welding everything together, especially if I'm using one same color of vinyl, so like that I don't waste vinyl. Now I'm going to click on Make It. I am using the Smart Vinyl, so I'm clicking without a mat. Then I'm going to click the type of vinyl I'm using, and then this is very easy. You just follow the steps. I will have the links to all the designs I use down in the description box in case you want to use them. The next step is to load the material, so now I'm going to go and load the material. Once I am done loading the material, I'm going to press the little play button, and now it's going to start cutting. What I love about the Cricut Maker 3 that is so much faster than the other machines. It cuts more than 300 materials, from the most delicate paper fabric to the tough like matte board leather and balsa wood. Now it's time to weed this, and it is very easy using this weeding tool from Cricut. Now the only reason I had a little bit of trouble was because I just got my nails done, and honestly it's been a while since I had nails and it feels so weird, so I did struggle a little bit. I'm even struggling right now, like doing other things. But anyways, using the Cricut transfer tape, I'm going to transfer the design to the Dollar Tree wood circle. Using this other Cricut tool, I'm going to just scrape it, and then I'm going to remove the plastic from the bottom so then I can transfer it. Some of the leaf patterns were like sticking out, so I used this X-Acto knife from Cricut and I just removed them little pieces. But that is it for the Carranza family sign, which is such a beautiful gift that you can give to one of your family members. For my next gift idea, I want to personalize this Dollar Tree Crafter Square horizontal burlap bag that was only $1.25. Now I do want to measure how big I want my image to be. Then I'm going to go ahead and go into the Cricut design space. This image, I wanted to say hello beautiful. Now you can go into text and type it yourself. You can also go into image and search for hello beautiful and see which one you like, which I actually did that, but I didn't like any of the images, so I decided to just search for hello and beautiful individually and then just combine them together, and that is what I did. Once I had the images of the words I liked the most, I inserted them to the canvas. So once I am done just arranging how I want the hello beautiful to go, I'm going to go back to the images and search for kiss and just insert a kiss or lips, whichever, and then just insert it right next to the hello. And that is all I did. Once I was finished sizing it and I like how that looked, I ungrouped the hello beautiful from the kiss and put it to the side because I am going to use two different vinyls on the mat. So when I cut this, there is going to be two different colors of vinyls. Hopefully I made sense, but here I'm showing you that I'm using red vinyl for the lips, and for the hello beautiful I'm using black vinyl. Now don't forget that the shiny part goes down, and also don't forget to, when you go and set up your material, put iron on and mirror on. I absolutely love the Cricut iron vinyl because it is so easy to weed out. It is actually so satisfying. Now once I had everything weed out, I'm going to use my Cricut iron mat and insert it inside the bag, so like that this bag doesn't like stick together. Now I'm going to add the image, but before I add the image to the bag, I do want to cut it out a little bit, especially where I'm going to add the kiss, so then I can iron on everything together at the same time. I will be using the Cricut Easy Press 2, which is very easy to use. Cricut has a heat guide, so you can select the instructions for the heat transfer material and the base material, so it's going to give you the temperature and how many seconds you need to leave it for, which is very easy. After you let it cool down, you're going to remove the plastic, and look how beautiful this turned out. Now that I have my bag, I'm going to add some of these Dollar Tree goodies that I found, and I'm going to add mostly like beauty stuff, a candle, some makeup wipes, this face serum, this tool, some face masks, an under eye mask, a whole bunch of little things that you can add to this bag, which it will make a great gift. The only thing that wasn't from Dollar Tree are these two, which I actually got them from TJ Maxx. They were $5.99 each. And that is it for this last minute Dollar Tree gift idea. For my next Dollar Tree gift idea, I will be using this men's travel bag, which I'm going to transform it into a makeup travel bag. Now I'm going to just measure how big I want my design to be. I then went to Cricut Design Space and Design, and I'll have that link down in the description box in case you want to use it. I did add some eyelashes to this makeup bag design I seen. Since this is nylon, I went into the heat guide and looked for the temperature for nylon. For this bag, I will be adding makeup that I will be giving my daughter, but I do want to show you these other Dollar Tree goodies I found that fit in here perfectly. And that is it for this quick and easy last minute gift idea. For my next gift idea, I will be using this wine bag that Cricut sent to me. Now, I feel like this is perfect for a gift for a friend. This is the design I made, which it says friends and wine, the older the better. I did get inspired by a design I seen on Cricut. Once again, I ungrouped these and I placed them where I know the vinyl is going to be on the mat. For this one, I did have to do them separately. And that is it. Look how beautiful this wine bag turned out. My next gift idea is going to be personalizing a cosmetic bag from Cricut and using this holographic iron-on vinyl. I went to Cricut Design Space and I searched for like a paint stroke. After that, I just designed my own name, where actually my niece's name. This little bag is going to be for her. And that is it. This was very easy and simple to do, and I absolutely love this holographic vinyl. And that is it for this bag. Now you can add so many goodies inside. My next gift ideas are more like the little Dollar Tree burlap gift bags that I'm going to just personalize and add something inside. These are leftover bags that I used in one of my recent videos. And that is it. I'm going to just add a little gift inside. And that is it for these quick and easy Dollar Tree gift ideas. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one's your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.